Hello guys, Ranesha, and today it's a Bootstrap tutorial. In the last episode, I did a guitar tutorial. So if you haven't watched that, go and watch it to learn more about GitHub. We're gonna learn Bootstrap. Bootstrap is something that you use to arrange your code. Yeah, so that's like the brief description. So let's talk about it here. So here it's a Bootstrap site. It's called getbootstrap.com. Link in the description below where you can click here. Build fast responsive sites with Bootstrap. So we're gonna be using this in our website. That will be later on. So you can read the installation docs. You can do the JS delivery, I think they leave. Oh, sorry. And Bootstrap icons. And then there's official thing. But as we really want to go much about that, so we're gonna here click download. So you can find different of them for Nugget. I'm not sure. Yes, I hope that's how you pronounce it. Composer, Ruby Gems, Yarn, npm, JS Deliver. Here, download the example. These are source files, but you're gonna be using this download ready to use Bootstrap 5.4.5.3 in our project. So I'm gonna click download. So it's gonna download. It's gonna automatically do it it's gonna automatically put it in download. So what you're gonna do right now is come here to download. You're gonna look for it. It's called Bootstrap 4.5.3.zip, and then you're gonna do you're gonna cut. You can left click and click cut, or you can do control X. So I'm gonna click cut, and then to my I'm gonna come to my folder where I have my code. So I'm looking for it right now. Oh, here it is, HTML code, Bootstrap practice, and I'm gonna paste it here. So now when you do it like this, you can't really access it. It's gonna show something like this, or I don't know what up. It's gonna pop up, but you're gonna left click. Yes, I said left click, and then click extract here, and it's gonna extract it as Bootstrap 4.5.3. If it hasn't done that, you can try it again. Mine not already. If you try it again, it said it's already there. Do I want to replace it? So now I know it's already there. So I'm gonna click cancel. Now I really don't need this package, so you're gonna just delete it. Left click, delete. Yes. Now I'm gonna come here. We need the CSS and JS, but there are some files we don't need. So enter CSS, and then here we have Bootstrap, CSS map, min.js, all of this. We really don't need it. So we only need bootstrap.css. So the rest we're gonna the number one delete. We really don't need them. It's just a waste of space. That's the same thing we're gonna do with JS. You're gonna look for JS, bootstrap.js, which is this one. So, oh no, I keep on doing the wrong thing. We're gonna delete those ones. Delete. We're gonna delete these ones. What is it? We're gonna delete those ones. Delete, and we're gonna delete this last one. We only need the bootstrap.js. We really don't need this. And here we really don't have. So here we call it bootstrap. Really Now, after you've cleaned up our CSS, now we can cut these. Uh, we can cut them and come here and paste them. Now let's check inside. We don't have it. Now we don't need this. And now it's gone. Now this is how it will look like. I've opened it in brackets. I'm gonna click open folder, HTML code, Bootstrap practice. So guys, I hope you've created a GitHub repository for this. If you haven't, pause the video and go and create a GitHub repository. If you don't know how to create a GitHub repository and all of those commands, go and check out the before video I posted, and you're gonna learn how to do all of that. But if you have, you can continue with me. I already had some startup code, pretty easy. So what would be the title? The title would be chips. Chips. Okay, wait. Yes, it's gonna be chips. If you live in America, it's potato chips. If you live in other countries, it's called crepes. So just do chips/crepes. I'm not in America, so I'm really used to saying crepes, but I'm gonna say chips/crepes. And then we can have here a paragraph. It really doesn't have to be the same. Wait, before we do any of that, there's something I've remembered. Here in the head, we're supposed to link them. They're supposed to link for the Bootstrap to work. Link to href is equals to CSS, bootstrap.css. And then we're gonna do link href. Wait, no, we're supposed to link Bootstrap, and then under body, right above HTML, we're gonna do script source equals to JS, bootstrap.js, and close. And so if you're wondering, how does Bootstrap look like? Because that's an interesting question. We'll take an example, a very good example with YouTube. So I'm gonna click YouTube. Okay. And then here it is, YouTube. So this how Bootstrap is like this column. Bootstrap is how they've added these ones, because here you can see a space. So Bootstrap is something. It's a tool where you can arrange your stuff. Where like you have this card here for Macangelo, and then you have this card here for a line. You can have this card here, CBC News. You can have this card here. So you can have different. You can have 1, 2, 3 cards here. You can have 5 cards. You can have 6 cards. It really depends. You can even take. Let's search for Bootstrap. Let's say Bootstrap. Yeah, what we're learning. Let's search for Bootstrap. Here, so this it's Bootstrap here. It's been put in columns here. Even if we left click and click inspect, and then you click, oh wait, here, come on, no, oh wait, no, not images. Here we're gonna click something like the whole card. How do I click the whole card? No, not that. I'll just say that here. It's div class row. Yes, here call MD. Here, that's what we're gonna learn this today. Call MD. So here is Bootstrap. It's like here you have like your card showing about Bootstrap, and then here you have your sites like that. So even on your site, you say it's about food. Right here, some text of food, and then here you have an image of foods, and then here you have some videos, like 3 videos, one here, another one here, and then here, like that, like that. So that's what you're gonna be learning. I've shown two examples with YouTube and Bootstrap. So let's hop into the code. So if you haven't reached my code, pause the video, and if you have already reached me and reached me, if you've already reached me, you can continue with me. So right under body gonna have div class row, and this, oh wait, div class container. It's always supposed to be in a container. Container is like the whole building of it. It's like a building for it. Yeah, it's like the building structure. I think it's better for me to draw it. Ah, come on. It's better for me to draw it, so I'll be back in a minute. So guys, I'm back. So I think this is the easiest way to explain Bootstrap. So here I'm gonna have a shape. Okay, shapes, no line. Okay. Yeah, a line will be okay. I'll have a line. Why is it not working? Yeah, I wanna have a line. Like here, I have a line here. Wait. So then have another line here till there. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have another line here. So basically, I'm just like drawing a building, something like a building. My drawing stuff are horrible. Horrible. I'm just horrible at drawing, just like that. So I hope you understand it. Sorry if my horrible looks ridiculous. If you have any tips of drawing, please tell me in the comments below, because I'm kind of horrible at this drawing. Let's connect that. Let's say that's together. We say that's together. Say that's together. Okay, so let's say this is our building. But with this, and then this is our container. Okay, that's our building. We'll say in HTML it's called container. Oh, come on. It's called a container in HTML, but first we'll say a building. And then we have floors. These are the floors. One floor, second floor, third floor. Now this is how Bootstrap looks like. We have the container as a building, and then we have the rows as like the floors, and then we have columns. In Bootstrap, there are rules that all the columns must add up till 12. So you can have here columns of 6 6. So we'll say the columns are shop, one shop here, one shop here, and another shop here. And then here we say we have another shop. We want 4 shops. It means you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shops. So and then we say this last one we want to have, let's say 6 shops. So I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you were gonna write such Bootstrap thing in code, here this one, both of these ones will be a call md6, call md6, call md6 for the first one. And then this one, it will be the same for here. I call md6. Because 6 plus 6 adds up to 12. Here we go. Here we'll have another one. 12. So this one is a tick. Okay, I just write X. Okay, I'll put that on screen. as green. Okay, that's red. Whoops, wrong color. Green. Yes. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So we'll do 12 divided by 4, which is 3. So we have column B 3, column D 3. I'm gonna extend this size a little bit, and then I'm gonna duplicate that for all of them. Yes, so we have a column D3 for all of them. Let me put that there. And then this one, I move it here so it's clear, invisible. So that's the same as 12. So this one is okay. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means they'll all be column D2s. So we have here column D2. Okay, I kind of want to move this one down there. This one down there. Then this one, okay, this one expanded size. Column D2. And then have duplicate that. So it will be column D2s to all of them. It's really not supposed to be an even number. We can have another example where we have another example where we say we don't want even, we want something odd. Let me see, I'll create a new one, a small one. Okay, wait, why am I stressing myself and have shapes? We're gonna take something like a square. Just take a rectangle. I wrote down myself. Let's say I want. Okay, we'll have our rows. We say 1, 2 rows. Okay, and then I want 3. We want how many? 3. 3 of them. Then this one we want 5 shops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shops. So here, if it's 3 of them, here we have our column D4. Yes. Column D4. We have our column D4 for all of them, all the 4. 2. Okay, because for all the 3 shops, because 4, 4, 4 adds up to 12, and if it's 5, you can do it like this. You can do 3, 3, 3, then you can do 2, and then 2. Because that would be 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Nope, that won't work. So you can do column D. 4, 4, that's 8. Nope, that won't work. You can do 3, 3, which is 6. And then we have 12, which is, but you have 5 shops. It means you can do 3, 3, 3, which is 9. No, you can do 3, 3, then 2, then 2, and 2. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can do that. Here, I'll just add the text. If you aren't, because I might have said too fast, let me add this text. 3, column D3. Okay, I kind of really want to expand this a lot. Column D3. Here are 2 column D3s, and then the last 3 you can have column D2 and have, okay, so never duplicate that, drop that, duplicate that and drop that there. So that would be 3, 6, 9, 10, wait, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's one thing. If all your columns don't add up to 12, your program won't work. So I hope you've understood. If you haven't understood, you can try and rewatch the video. And guys, if you're enjoying the video, please hit that subscribe button and hit the subscribe button and the like button so it knows you want more content and more tutorials like this. So let's just hop right into coding now. Okay, so we have div class container. Now I'm gonna have div classroom. We're gonna have here. So this is our model. We're gonna have this first one. We're gonna build this first one. So yeah, so that's how we're gonna have div class row. That's for row 1. So I'll call this row 1. Yes, I'll call this row 1 because you say I want styling later. Yes, if I want styling later, I can now use row 1 as I did it in my CSS video. So if you haven't watched that, go and watch that video. And then here we're gonna have our call div class call md6. Okay, here then I'm gonna say print. Oh wait, I'm saying print. So my goodness, I'm usually working on Python. Sorry, if I'm confusing. It's supposed to be paragraph. Yay! I am learning Bootstrap. And then here, this other column D6. Make sure it's closed. We'll have I have liked and no have you that's what my second paragraph is gonna say. So I'm gonna click run and hopefully it should print. Okay, that's a bumper. Why isn't this working? So everything is closed. Href. Okay, that's a problem. Gotta deal with. Div class container. I think you can call row 1. I think that's a problem. Was that the problem? Nope, that wasn't the problem. Now what can the problem be? Oh, yep. I've realized my problem. Here, if you've been keen and you've been watching my tutorials, you've seen here I used to put real. I used to put real is equals to style sheet. If you guys saw that error, and you fixed it, you have real sharp eyes, and I've been knowing that you really watch my videos, or you know HTML a lot. So that was my problem. Let me check it again. Yes, that was my problem. So here I'm learning Bootstrap, and have you liked the video? Here, this is column D6. If you inspect the code, you can see what. Okay, I think I'll gotta. Here you can see. Here I'm learning Bootstrap. Here, column D6. Here's my column D6, and then here's my other column D6, and then this is my row. Here's my row, and the container is containing the whole thing. Right there. Here you can see div container. Oh man, you can see div container. So that was my problem. So now we fix that, our row. So let's see. We've done this. I'm gonna put it in italic To know we've done it, so I really don't confuse. And then here we have column B3s. So what should we put there? Okay. This is gonna take a while because I really haven't thought of an idea of what I'm gonna be doing. Whoops, 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 whoops. Is this outside my row? I like just like clicking this so I know I'm outside this row. Then I have my here another div class row. Div class row. And then have another div class called md3. So now this one we're gonna be trying if we only put 3 of them. Let's try and put 3 of them, and then each of them have a paragraph. Say yay. This first one have yay. Yay. Copy. Paste this one. Say bye. And this one will say oof. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna wanna kind of comment it. If you do control /, it's next to your opening key sign and closing. It's next to your opening and closing key signs. You will comment the line in brackets. It will instantly comment the line. Wait, you never commented the whole thing. That's a problem. Wait. If I do this and if I do control /, oh, whoop, it's not even commented the whole thing. If I try it from this end, and then if I do it here, oh wait. So, okay, I have a trick, my sleeves, which will make this easier for me. So if I do, wait, there's something wrong. There's something wrong. Okay, it's fixed itself. Okay, that's a wonder. So here, if I do control X and I paste it here, it's pasted with all of this. Okay, that's how thing you can do. So it won't print out. It won't print out this line. So you can do this when you wanna leave yourself some tips. Like here, I'm gonna leave out a tip. Okay, Bootstrap the whole row, all the columns must add up to 12. That must can work. So wait, where were you? Yes, we were here testing this row. Let's see. Okay, that's weird. It actually worked. Oh, wait. Yeah, I know why it worked. I have a big reason why it worked. And so if I do 6, now if I do 6, I do 6, that's past 12. And let's say I do like 5 here. We say I just forgot like that. Here. So it said yay as 6. It said bye as 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then did oof like another row. I was not expecting this because it's been long since I used Bootstrap. I think I used a version 4.3, yeah, 4.4. This wasn't happening because if you could do extra, you go yay and then bye and then oof here, somewhere in the middle or the end. But no, it will actually come out like normal text like that without Bootstrap. But it's coming like this. Oh, okay, you learn something new every day. But now you've known always supposed to put the right amount. Column D3, column D3, column D3. Copy. Okay, that's a bad idea. And paste. So that's gonna do that. paste. I'm gonna have that, and then I'm gonna have a John. My Discord so if you haven't joined, look at the description below. So okay, here it is. So wait, have you even saved it? Is it in the same row? Okay, this is what I was not expecting. So I think I've been playing with the old version. I really haven't tried this new version like till now. Wait, it was like a week. I hadn't really used any column 3s, but I had no idea this was added. No idea. Okay, okay. Whoa, okay. These Bootstrap people have added a lot of features I haven't even known. So I still gotta do a lot of exploration to do. Oops, yeah. 77444. Yeah. Oh wait, I gotta remove this. Okay, that's done. Wait, have I even done anything? Oh wait, yes. Sorry, plan. Okay. So I'm wondering if column D3s did this, like did here. Let me just return it back. Did like this. How will column D2s do? Okay, I'm gonna try that out. Okay, my curiosity has passed its limits. I really gotta try that out. So this is what you do, copy. As usual, I'm too lazy to type the code. And then I'm gonna have to, okay, the usual, copy and paste. Copy and paste. Now change. Control H, all the 4s, and replace them with 2s. Oh, easy peasy. Some, that's what I call some. Oh, oops. Okay, I gotta change those. Gotta change those back. And I'm okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, look, boss, I actually did it right. Wait, HTML doesn't mind the indents. I like having indents. Oh, we can use beautify. I fully forgot about this. Okay, I have a problem. Oh, I've seen my problem. One is not closed. Okay, there goes my problem. Okay, I really gotta minimize my code. It's getting too squeezed up. Okay, that's better. So do the usual trick. Do that. Control X that, paste that. Okay, that's commented. Now let's run this. What will happen? Wait, wrong thing. So okay. Is there anything else? So it's this. Okay. I gotta change it. Yay. Bye. Wolf. This is gonna be dub. This is gonna be John. And this is gonna be James. Okay, so it does. Okay, let me refresh. Yay by oof dub John James. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, now I understand how this thing works. They never updated anything. It's because I was supposed to refresh so the column D3 could work. So guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell and like the video if you wanna see more content like this. Thank you guys for watching the video and see you in the next video. And if you have any questions, you can post them in my Discord server. Link also in the description below or on the comments below. And then this project will be put into GitHub, which will be off cameras. If you wanna see it from GitHub, you gotta go to Neuronesh, github.com/Neuronesh, and then you find their Bootstrap tutorial if you want to find the code. So guys, thank you guys for watching this. See you later in Neuronesh.